Hello! In this video on Vim, we will see how to search and replace text fragments in files using Vim Text Editor. Let's open a C program. So for this example, I will use this example from the textbook. So it should look pretty familiar to you. And let's just see which commands are there in Vim to search for some text blocks. There is this slash command. Yeah, just simple. This forward slash to search a certain piece of text. So what if I want to find the word box? I just type a forward slash box. I hit enter. So yes, this is my box. So you can see that this blue rectangular cursor is at the character B. So it found the first appearance of the word box for me. But what if I wanted not the first one, but the last one? So what if I want to search backwards? In this case, instead of using a forward slash, I use a question mark box. And as you can see, this box is the last box. So it was searching backwards, and it found the last appearance of the box string here. What if so let's just get back to the first example, box. So what if I want just to jump by the different boxes that we found for me? For this, I can use n, small n, and capital N. So if I just hit a small n, I move to the next found box. I press a small n again, the next box. Again, no search hit button continuing at top. So if I just hit n, it just keeps looping through the boxes that it found. And what if I want to move through the boxes that are in this text, but again backwards? So what if I want to see the previous box? For this case, I need to use a capital N. So I just hit shift and N, a capital N, and it just goes to the previously found string. So shift N, it goes backwards from bottom up. What if I so we now know how to search for a string in a file, but what if I want to replace a certain string with another string? So for example, in this C program, we're calculating the dimensional weight of a box. So what if I want to calculate a dimensional weight of a parcel, not a box? And I just need to replace box with a parcel. The simplest option here would be using the S command. As you remember, every command in Vim starts with a colon, so we type :s, and S is a very universal command. So if you will decide to learn Perl, for example, you will use a lot of S, and something like AWK and other command line tools for working with regular expressions and other text utilities will heavily use S command. So we use S /box /parcel G. G means global. So and I hit enter, and as you can see in the current line, the box was replaced by a parcel. But what if I want to replace all boxes with parcels? So in this case, I will need a slightly different command. And by the way, if I want to undo this replacement, I always have the U command. Just I hit U, undo, and you can see that the parcel is a box again. So what if I want to replace every appearance of the substring box and to replace it with a substring parcel? In this case, I need a slightly different command, just slightly different, so I can even use the previous one and slightly edit it. I just need to add one character down here. It was colon S, and now it's colon $S. And now let's see what happens if I hit enter. Yeah, as you can see, 3 substitutions on 3 lines. So we had 3 boxes, and now we have 3 parcels. Enter height of parcel, enter length of parcel, and enter width of parcel. And again, if we're not happy with the result, we always can undo this substitution. So we just hit U, and you can see that we have the boxes again. And just one more option here that I would like to tell you, and there are millions, not millions, but there are many more different commands and different options, and it gets you to the whole new shiny world of regular expressions and working with text in Unix. It's the whole new world that you might want to learn sometime. But let's just see one more option. So previously we tried to replace all boxes with parcels without any confirmation. But what if we want to double check every single box substring before making the substitution? For this case, we can use this C option. So it's the same command, but we just add a C option at the very end of this command. And C means what? It means confirmation. So we want a confirmation before making each substitution. I hit enter here, and what do I see here? The first box, replace with parcel, and a lot of options: yes, no, all, quit, and I'm not sure what do the remaining options mean, so please feel free to Google it and let me know. But I just want to replace this box with a parcel. Yes. I want to replace this one, yes, and let's pretend I don't want to replace the last box. So I just hit N here, and as you can see, we replaced 2 boxes with parcels, and we just skipped the last one for whatever reasons. I don't think that it's very logical for the C program, but let's pretend that we needed it for some particular reason. So that was it. We now know how to search and replace in Veeam, and just try doing that on your own and enjoy. Have fun.